Hey guys, and welcome to Functional Print Friday, Austrian Alps edition. So no normal video this week. I am on vacation. A friend and I rented some motorcycles and we are riding through the German and Austrian Alps. It's been an amazing journey already. All the people in Germany and Austria have been incredibly welcoming and wonderful. If you ever get the chance to visit the Alps, I highly recommend it. And if you ride a motorcycle, it is a great way to see new places. You're just so much more immersed in your surroundings than you are in a car or on a bus. I'm sure hiking or riding a bicycle is a great way to do it as well. It's just, you can't cover anywhere near as much ground as you can on a motorcycle. So I'll be back with a normal video next week, but as I sit here in the hotel editing this video, I can't help but notice the TPU luggage tag on my suitcase that I travel with all the time. I did a video about this tag about 2 years ago. The channel only had a few subscribers at the time, so probably most of you have not seen it. I'll put a card up here in the video for you guys to click on. I'll also put a link to that video down in the description. It's totally worth checking out. Since the original one, when I covered it, I think I'd originally printed it in like a gray TPU. I printed it in orange TPU, and it's awesome because it also makes the luggage so easy to find in the airport. I can't tell you how many times, people are trying to find, their luggage tag and flipping it over because their bag looks like everyone else's, but it's hard to miss your bag with a giant TPU orange tag on it. So check that out, and I will see you guys next week.